beautiful day in West Virginia. I'm Paul Grist, broker of Grist Real Estate, and with us as well is
Hope Cunningham, Grist Real Estate buying agent. And if I could figure out how to turn the camera, I would, but I can't, so I'm going to turn the whole phone.
Hope is totally awesome. We work together as a team, and she is our buyer's agent, so she works exclusively with buyers, which helps us ultimately provide a better level of service for our clients and the people that we work with, which means you get what you need and what you want. So we are here on a windy day, as I'm sure you can hear, and we'll go inside in a minute, but just want to pan around and show you this extraordinary view of the Greenbrier Valley. We are just north of Lewisburg, on the north side of Lewisburg, looking back over. We've got Muddy Creek Mountain off in the distance, and you can actually see into Summers County from here, and then to the south down to Monroe County. It's surrounded by about 500 acres of farmland. It's in a family farm, and this property itself is right around 8 acres. So we'll swing back, take a look at the house, and go inside. So as you're coming in out of the wind, standing seam metal roof, it's got the snow guards on them, and then it's got the copper half-round gutters. So everything in this home is extremely well done, high quality. The current owners have done a total renovation, top to bottom, wiring, plumbing, everything you could possibly imagine. This home was originally built in 1941 by Ward Buchanan, who was a senior executive with Procter Gamble, who came to this area and decided to make it home. So we're hoping you will find this to be where you want to make your home. So as we go in, I want to point out, still have the original door from what we believe was here in 1941. Really interesting woodwork that was put together in this design. It's been cleaned, oiled, and put back here for many more years to come. So as you notice, I'm wearing gloves and I'm getting ready to put on shoe covers. It's just part of what we do is proper safety protocols today. So when you come and take a look at the home, we'll practice social distancing and put on these covers just to help with being able to look in the home in person. But of course, we're doing this video too for your convenience so you can see things a little bit better before you see it in person. So Hope will pan around with the video while I get my shoe covers on.
So yes, this is going to be the view from the front door. I love the circle driveway. It's very, can we come around there? What did you call that gravel?
Pea gravel.
Pea gravel, yes. It just pops with the green color of the grass.
It has a light orange tone to it. So lots of great sunlight, natural light all throughout. And we come into the main foyer here. Off to my right, we'll have the dining room area, which connects into the kitchen. There's a suite in the back, and then upstairs we have the bedrooms. But first, I want to show you the living area and then the master suite, which is off on this wing. So here in this room, we've got 10-foot ceilings and windows all the way around. You know, really, everything in this home, you can say it's a room with a view. It's just extraordinary. So one of the original touches that the current owners preserved was this original hearth and around this Muddy Creek. We believe this sandstone is from Muddy Creek Mountain, and it's just a really colorful, beautiful touch. It has gas to the fireplace, so you can put in some logs, do whatever you want there. And of course, this would be one of your main living areas. This home is really well set up for flow. So it's a lot of doors in and out to the outdoor living areas. Come back in. I'll show you this one. This covered porch that's on the side and the front. This would be a favorite place to sit during thunderstorm. You can watch the rains, clouds going up and down the valley. Or a nice place to sit and read a book on a nice summer day and enjoy a little cool breeze as you come around. It's got a beautiful patio floor with the sandstone again. And this actually has a walkway that goes right back to the front of the house where we started out. And we'll go back inside. So as we go back through, we're going to take you into the master suite. Another entrance here to a covered back porch and then an open area on the back of the home. See access to the backyard as well. Here on the front side of the house, we have a sitting room. Could be a library, whatever you'd like to use it as. It's fully enclosed in the master suite. Views out. It also has access to these covered sitting porch. And also connects to the master bathroom, which will take you back out through the main hallway just to give you a better feel of how the flow goes. So again, here's another level back. We've got closet space here, and then a walk-in closet with pocket doors. And of course, back this way, it's a master bathroom. Got your double sink, satin finish, hardware on everything. You've got your quartz tops, and then wonderful cabinetry. Here we have our soft closed doors, which is nice, no more banging. And speaking of nice, this has radiant heat in the floors, which is wonderful in the middle of winter, but even on those cool spring and fall days, just really keeps your feet toasty and warm. Jetted tub, and then a wonderful walk-in shower. It's got the rain shower head on top, and also a nice sitting area there. So tiled. You'll notice the color palette in the home is neutral. It's got some shades and gradients to it, but it's an open palette for you to come in and put your own personal touch to it and make it home. So here we are. Master bedroom. Take a look around. Extraordinary views. Got your super long, wide windows. Brings in the sunlight. Take in the views. Watch sunrise, sunset. And actually right from where our Hope was just standing would be where your bed would likely go. So you get up in the morning, you're going to see this, what's around behind you. And what master suite would be complete without its own fireplace? So this does have gas run to it. And these are the original brick tiles from 1941. So it's a contemporary look at that time. The sellers, when they renovated it, decided to preserve it and keep one of those that really fascinating touch that harkens back to the original construction. So as you'll notice, as we go back through, we've got oak floors all throughout. This is a very solid home, extremely well built. It's got metal beams running through on your trusses and the floors. Downstairs is almost a full basement. It's got poured concrete walls, concrete floors, and it's basically utility in nature, but it's certainly there and very usable. Here we are back in the foyer, and we'll head into our dining room. And this is just a wow factor. This window is amazing. It really helps you take in the landscape and bring it inside. So while you're eating your meals, you can enjoy the landscape outside. And like all formal dining rooms today, it can be repurposed as a sitting room or a library if you don't need this particular space. But if you do or want it, it's perfect for it. Got a nice little sun room here that would be nice for your plants, sort of a greenhouse type room coming in and out. And of course, importantly, we have our brand new kitchen. Brought in, it's got the quartz countertops on it. Got these beautiful wood custom made cabinets. Got your GE appliances, stainless steel, 6-burner stove. Well, 5-burner, excuse me, with your griddle. Love that. Cooking with gas. And one of the fascinating features of this home is a separate guest suite, which has its own entrance and exit right beside the garage. So that when you do have your guests, they can truly be separate and have their own quarters. And of course, this has 3/4 bathroom, nice walk-in shower, tile throughout. And should you not need an extra guest suite, this will make a perfect office, media room, just multi-purpose. Come on back through and take a peek through. You can see right from here as we're looking down the country lane. That's the way that you come into the property. Nice gravel road connects back to Benedict Lane. We're just here next to the airport, probably a half a mile away or so. Okay. While we're here, we'll swing around. Got a pantry area there. This space here, we've got our laundry room. Very nice powder bathroom for your guests. And then this is the breezeway, which we'll take a quick gander out here. If you continue over to the left, you connect into the garage. This area is outdoor seating area on the back. Just absolutely beautiful spot. It's hard to put words to it. You can see it through the video, but I definitely recommend coming in person. One of the details you'll notice here, wrought iron railing. If I'm correct, this is one of the original pieces that they preserved. They were able to maintain this. You've got the sandstone patio again. And then just one of the, if we look back at the house, if we come out this way and look back up, one of the banks of windows looking back into the foyer. So this home built in 1941, it was certainly contemporary style for the time, but today it's continued through, and with the updates, lives very modern. So let's go back inside. We'll take you to the guest rooms upstairs. Come on in. So as we go through, you'll notice to the left, that is the entrance to the basement. The basement also has access from the outside, so it is a walkout. And then upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms. We actually have another master suite here. So we'll show you the master suite first. So So as we go straight on through, we've got the 3/4 bathroom, tiled walk-in shower, another rain, large shower head. Everything's satin finished. It's very consistent throughout the home. Large walk-in closet here. And then certainly another room with a view. Absolutely breathtaking views. It just makes you want to pause and look at, try to determine what you're seeing. Oh, this is great timing. We'll come up to the window and take a look down. You can see some of the neighbors here on their afternoon walk. That's the Angus family. Again, you're looking back towards town, Lewisburg, Muddy Creek Mountain. Originally, it's believed that this was an open but covered porch. And then sometime one of the owners closed it in, and this was one of their favorite places. And certainly you can see why. With the views, it's very comfortable here, very peaceful. So as we check out the other 2 guest bedrooms, we have a really neat feature that we're going to see. One of the last remaining hints of what the home was in 1941. We have these original hardwood floors. They've been refinished and stained. But as you can see, some of the interesting coloring patterns on it is just from the way it aged over time. So they preserved this. These are the only hardwood floors that made it through. They wanted to keep a part of it, and it's great that they were able to maintain this here. It's got a nice large closet to it. And of course, you've got the views out on the front as well. So we'll head back through to the 3rd bedroom upstairs. On our way, you'll see the shared bathroom. Here it's a nice, again, tiled walk-in shower, sink, cabinetry. And our final bedroom, looking here, just extraordinary windows looking out. Got your countryside. Yeah, and one of the nice things about this area, this location, there's only a couple people that live on this road. There's only one that lives just beyond you here. You're surrounded by 8 acres that come with this property, and then there's 500 acres out front. It's another big family farm. So it's a really peaceful place to live. And you definitely see more cattle out here than you do people. But you're right north of town. It's an easy, quick drive back in. Get to the interstate, I-64. You can fly in and out of the airport. This is just 5 minutes up the road from here. Greenbrier Resort, it's not that far away either. We're coming back out to our main foyer area, welcome room. Every time I see this door, I'm just in amazement at the character. This is a heavy door. It's been here a long time. Should be here many more years to come.
The thickness is,
yes.
you can just feel it.
So, we come back out, sun's out, it's a beautiful day in West Virginia and in the Greenbrier Valley. This has been hopefully an informative and helpful tour of 416 Private Drive here in Lewisburg. We're trying to do more of these videos just so you can have as a reference and get a better idea of a property before you come to see it. Saves you time and hopefully helps you find home a little bit sooner. So I'm Paul with Grist Real Estate. Really appreciate you joining us today. Behind the camera has been
Hope Cunningham with Grist Real Estate, the buyer's agent.
Yes,
Happy to help.
extraordinary buyer's agent. And again, we work as a team. Teamwork is how we can provide better service for you and help you get what you want and you're looking for. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon.